Hello everyone, we are learning the lesson expansion and let us see another problem today. The number x is 2 more than the number y. The number x is 2 more than the number y, and if the sum of the squares of x and y is 34, find the product of x and y. Now squares of x and y refers to x square and y square, right? That's the squares of x and y, and product refers to x into y or xy. Product refers to multiplication. Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. Let's write down what is given in the question. X is 2 more than y, so how can we write this as an equation? X is equal to 2 more than y, that means 2 plus y, right? So this is the first equation that we have written down. X is 2 more than y, x is equal to 2 plus y. We'll write it as equation number 1. What else is given? Sum of the squares of x and y is 34. Sum of the squares of x and y is 34. That means x square plus y square is equal to 34, right? So this is the second equation. Okay, we'll write this as the second equation. So we have found out, or we have written down equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let us go ahead solving this problem. What we will do next is we will replace the values of equation 1 in equation number 2. Okay, now how can we do that? Replacing the values of equation 1 in equation 2, right? X is equal to 2 plus y. So this is what we will replace in x square. Okay, that's what we will be doing. Right, so 2 plus y whole square, this is nothing but the value of x or x square. Right, the value of x was 2 plus y, so x square would be 2 plus y square is equal to 34. Or we can write this equation also as y plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 34. Okay, so this is the equation we have got after we have replaced the values of equation 1 in equation 2. Now let me explain to you how to expand this y plus 2 whole square plus y square. We will apply the expansion of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? That is the expansion of a plus b whole square. So this is what we will be applying to expand y plus 2 whole square. Y plus 2 whole square, that is what we will be expanding. Y refers to a and 2 refers to b. So when we replace the values, we get it as y square plus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square. Now when we simplify it, we will get it as y square plus 2 to the 4 into y is 4y plus 2 square, that is 4. Right, I hope you have understood till here. Now we had plus y square, right? So we will write that term plus y square. Now you notice here that we have two like terms, right? Y square plus y square. So it will be written as 2y square plus 4y plus 4. So what we have done now is we have expanded y plus 2 whole square plus y square. Now let me write this down where we are solving the problem. The one that you're seeing on the right hand side, expansion, that is the rough part that I have done. Okay, so you can do this in the rough part on your page. 2y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 34. Right, is equal to 34 is the part of the question. What we will do next is we will subtract this 34 from both the sides. Four minus 34 will be minus 30 equals 34 minus 34 will be 0. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. So till now we have got the expression as 2y square plus 4y minus 30 is equal to 0. Now how can we solve it further? Let us see what is the next step. What we will do now is we will simplify it by dividing both the sides by 2. Then you would get it as y square plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now let us simplify y square plus 2y minus 15. Let me explain to you in the rough part how to simplify y square plus 2y minus 15. Okay, there are a few things that you have to understand about three terms when we're simplifying it. The coefficient of first term, that is y square. Now you know that by default when there is no number written before the variable, by default it is 1. That is why the coefficient, which is the numeric value of the variable, is 1, and the coefficient of second term is 2. The second term is 2y, so the numeric value of 2y is 2, which becomes the coefficient of second term, and last term is constant. There is no variable over there, so the last term is 15. I hope you have understood this. Now you have understood about the three terms that is mentioned there. Now what we are going to do is we'll multiply the coefficient of the first term by the constant, that is the last term. Multiply the coefficient of first term, that is 1 into 15. Right, multiply the coefficient of first term, that is 1, by the constant, that is 15. So 1 into 15 will be 15. Now we have to find two factors of 15. We have found 15 by multiplying the coefficient of first term by the constant. So we have to find two factors of 15 whose sum equals the coefficient of the middle term. Okay, and the coefficient of the middle term is 2. So we have to find two factors of 15 which we will add or subtract, right, to get the middle term. 5 and 3 are the factors of 15, right? So 5 3s are 15, and when we add or subtract these two factors, that is plus 5 minus 3, we will get it as 2. Right, now this 2 is what? This 2 is the coefficient of the second term. So the factors that we will be using to expand or simplify y square plus 2y minus 15 is 5y and minus 3y. Okay, let me write these values over there so that you can understand it. Y square plus 5y minus 3y are the factors of 15 which we add or subtract to get the middle term, that is 2y, and that is how we get it as y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 15 equals 0. Now what is our next step? Our next step is to find the common values between these two terms. Y square plus 5y, what is common there? Y is common, right? What is common between 3y and 15? 3 is common, and in the brackets 3 into y would be 3y, minus into plus is minus, and 3 5s are 15, right? equals to 0. It's quite simple. Now we will write the common terms. Y minus 3 is 1 in the brackets, and y plus 5 are common terms, so we will write it as 1. Right, so y minus 3 in brackets into y plus 5 in brackets equals 0. Now what is the next step that we have to do? Okay, do not rush, don't think it's very complicated. You just go through it again and again so that you will understand it. I will do it in the rough. So y minus 3 in bracket is equal to 0. What we're trying to do is we'll find the value of y, making y as the subject. Y is equal to, okay, we will remove the brackets first. Y minus 3 equals 0. So making y as the subject, we get it as y is equal to plus 3, right? When minus 3 goes to the other side, it changes to plus 3. Now let's take the second term, that is y plus 5. Y plus 5 equals 0. We'll remove the brackets. Y plus 5 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to, when we take plus 5 to the other side, it becomes minus 5, right? It changes to minus 5. So here we have found the value of y. I will just write it down in the place where we are solving it. So y is equal to either plus 3 or y is equal to minus 5. We are coming close to the answer. Okay, so y is equal to either plus 3 or minus 5. Now when we scroll up, you will see that when we started solving this problem, we had found the first equation, that is x is equal to 2 plus y. So what we are going to do is we'll replace the value of y in equation number 1 to find the value of x. Alright, using x is equal to y plus 2. If y is equal to 3, then what will be the value of x? X is equal to 3 plus 2. Right, so the value of x is 5. Alright, and if y is equal to minus 5, then x is equal to y plus 2, that is minus 5 plus 2. And when we solve this, we get it as minus 3. Right, so we have found the value of x also. The value of x is 5 if y is equal to 3. Right, and the value of x is minus 3 if y is equal to minus 5. So for y is equal to minus 5, when x is equal to minus 3. And y is equal to 3 or we can say x is equal to 5 when y is equal to 3. What do we have to find? What was given in the question? We have to find the product of x into y. That means we have to multiply x into y. So 15 is the answer. In both the cases it will be 15. I hope you have understood it, and like I always say, keep practicing maths.